Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of English literature today, and today's assignment, as you all know, is on chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite. So today we are going to do in part 2 video, we are going to understand about question answers and make sentences. This work we will be doing in a English literature notebook. Is that clear? So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained about reading, and I hope you all have read the chapter twice or thrice at home so that it will improve your reading skills. Okay, and make sure that every day you have to read all the chapters in English and EVS which are being given to you. Okay, now today we are going to do in this video our notebook work. So for that you have to take out your English literature notebook, okay, and turn to new page from where we will be starting our question answers. So as you all know that what do we do first? We write down today's date. So I want all of you to write down the date, that is 4/5/2021. Okay, now part D we are going to do today, part D, as we have completed in the last week part C, which was of who said the following. Okay, now today we are going to do part D of question and answers. Sorry, yesterday we have completed part C of who said the following. Now today we are going to do question and answers. So in the first line you will write down the heading of question answers, and then from the next line you will write question number 1. What did the children see from the roof? सारे बच्चों ने अपने रूफ से क्या देखा था? We have to write the answer. So after every question you have to put a question mark, and then from the next line you will write answer. The children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of other building. Okay, here you have to write flying kites, K-I-T-E-S, kites. Okay, the children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of other building. Okay, दूसरी बिल्डिंग्स की छतों से बच्चे kites fly कर रहे थे. ये किसने देखा था? हस्मीना और सैफ ने. Is that clear? Now coming to the second question, question number 2. Why did Sharma ji stopped walking? शर्मा जी जब ऊपर छत पे घूम रहे थे, वॉक कर रहे थे, तो why did he stop there? So in the answer from the next line you will write down Sharma ji stopped walking because he watched the black kite. Is that clear? वो black kite जो एक tall boy fly कर रहा था उसको देख रहे थे. He started watching that, so that's why he stopped walking. Again I'm repeating, Sharma ji stopped walking because he watched the black kite. उन्होंने black kite को देखने के लिए वॉकिंग रोक दी और वो वहां पे रुक गए थे. Is that clear? Now question number 3. What is in question number 3, children? Who was good at flying kites? Kites fly करने में कौन सबसे अच्छा था? किसको सबसे अच्छे से kites fly करना आता था? So when we are writing a question we will end it with a question mark, and in the answer Sharma ji was very. So children, your answer number 3 is Sharma ji was good at flying kites. Okay, Sharma ji को kites fly करना बहुत अच्छे से आता था. So this is your answer number 3, children. I hope you all have understood it very clearly. Now coming to question number 4. What kind of person is Sharma ji? Now here in this question it is asked that Sharma ji का nature कैसा था? What kind of person he was? So here you have to write the answer, and please remember children, when you are writing the question you have to end it with a question mark. Okay, then in the answer you will write Sharma ji was very helpful person. वो कैसे person थे? Helpful person, सबकी मदद करने वाले. Okay, so Sharma ji was very helpful, HELPFUL, helpful person, and after every answer you will put a full stop. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood all the 4 question answers. Once again I am repeating, children, listen to it very carefully. Question number 1. What did the children see from the roof? बच्चों ने roof से क्या देखा था? Answer is the children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of other buildings. Okay, here we will S. Okay, buildings. Now again I am repeating, the children saw many people were flying kites from the roof of other buildings. Clear to you all? Now coming to question number 2, why did Sharma ji stopped walking? शर्मा जी ने वॉक करना क्यों बंद किया, क्यों स्टॉप किया? आंसर इज शर्मा जी स्टॉप्ड वॉकिंग बिकॉज ही वॉच्ड द ब्लैक काइट. द ब्लैक काइट विच द टॉल बॉय वॉज फ्लाइंग, ही started watching that black kite. That is why he stopped walking. Is that clear? So now coming to question number 3, who was good at flying kites? Sharma ji was good at flying kites. Is that clear? Now coming to question number 4, last question, what kind of person is Sharma ji? Answer is Sharma ji was very helpful person. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood all these 4 question answers very clearly. Now please children, after completing your question answers, turn to a new page and then we will start writing make sentences. Okay, now first of all children, I will explain you all the make sentences. There are 3 make sentences, 3 words. So I will explain you and then you can write it on your own also. And if you want to change any sentence, if you want to write sentences on your own, then you can write on your own also. Okay, your own sentences you can form and you can write. But remember, your sentences should be of good language and it should be senseful. Okay, all the sentences should be in sense. Now, first word is frightened. First of all, in the first line you will give the heading E part, make sentences. Then A part is, number 1 word is frightened, F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened. And what is the meaning of frightened, children? Scared. Okay, when you are scared of something, किसी चीज से डरना. So the sentence of this word will be, the boy was frightened to see the lion in the zoo. बॉय बहुत फ्राइटेंड था लायन को देख के, कहाँ पे? जू में. ओके, सो द बॉय वॉज फ्राइटेंड टू सी द लायन इन द जू. दिस इज योर सेंटेंस and in the sentence where this word will be there, you have to underline it. Okay, you have to underline the word from which we have to make the sentence. Now coming to the B part, that is terrace. Your next word is terrace, T-E-R-R-A-C-E, terrace. And what is the meaning of terrace, children? Roof. Okay, the children were flying kites on the terrace. Whenever you want to fly kites at home, where you all go on your terrace. Okay, so this is the same thing. The children were flying kites on the terrace. Is that clear? Again you will underline the word which is given here. Then in the last C part, the third word is lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. That means pretty. So the sentence of this word is, the small girl was wearing a lovely pink dress. Small girl ने बहुत pretty, सुंदर pink dress पहनी हुई थी. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood all these 3 make sentences. Once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First word is frightened and the sentence is, the boy was frightened to see the lion in the zoo. Second word is terrace. The sentence is, the children were flying kites on the terrace. And in the last, the word is lovely. And the sentence is, the small girl was wearing a lovely pink dress. So children, that is all in this video for today. Your part 2 video is completed, and by this we complete our chapter number 3, that is Hasmina's kite. So children, I hope you all have understood both the exercises which we have done today of question answers as well as of make sentences. Now in your assignment, I will write all these question answers and make sentences. So please copy from there. But before copying, please make sure that you watch both the videos, part 1 first and then part 2, so that you will understand how you have to do your work for today. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood everything. Please follow all the instructions which your teachers are giving, children, and by that you will be doing very good work. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.